Enemies. These bitches my enemies. Yes, why do you envy me? I love my face, but that bitch not afraid of me. Enemy.
Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be a video about a story time where I almost got caught skipping the class, you know. So oh yeah, and about my hairstyle, I know y'all gonna want to know how to do this hairstyle, so I'm gonna post a video. I don't know when, but I'm gonna post a video on this hairstyle, how I got it, because I got so many questions and compliments on my hair, like, and it matched my shirt. I like a little kid that's going to church. But anyways, y'all, okay, so before I get into this video, I've been wondering, you guys have been asking, Eva, where you get your jewelry from? My jewelry is from Yafeini Jewelers. The box looks like this. Don't worry about that. I was dyeing that wig and it got stuff everywhere, like when I was brushing it. I have two of them. Actually, I have three of them, but yeah, one of them are for the earrings, if y'all was wondering. I also got one with my name, my earrings on. If you see blood up here and over here, I just got my ears pierced like 10 minutes ago. No, how long it took? It didn't take me 10 minutes to get home. I literally just got my ears pierced. I just came home and started filming. And it also comes with a necklace. This necklace has a crown on it. As y'all been the necklace y'all been seeing and asking about is this one right here. I got this one off AliExpress. It was $4, but it took a long time to come. As y'all know, everything about AliExpress taking a long time to come. So if y'all want something that's nice and good, because I have sweated in this necklace and it has not changed colors and it just looks way better. And it also comes with two parts of these things. It's like, if you want the necklace to be longer, you can attach the thing that's gonna go right here. I don't want a long necklace because I don't want it like this in my shirt, because what's the point of having it? You can't see it. But yeah, that's all I want to talk about in this jewelry. And you can also get jewelry with your face in it and all that stuff, so make sure you check them out in the link down below. If you like what I got, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. But anyways, back to the story time, y'all. So I'm just giving y'all a rundown on where this school is. Honey, it's a cotton field in front of the school. This school was in the middle of a cotton field. Not in the middle, but if you look across the street, it's cotton growing. Like, cotton, y'all. Real cotton. Cotton you can pick, okay? Whole cotton field. I think cotton only grown in the wintertime. Don't get me wrong, I don't know nothing about no cotton. But when the summertime, when it started getting hot, cotton started disappearing. Like, who's stealing the cotton? Who is stealing this cotton? But anyways, okay, so that's a rundown. Remind y'all, we're in the country. The country, like, y'all know what the city look like, y'all know what the country like. This school is in the middle of nowhere, basically. It's somewhere, but it's nowhere. It takes you a long time to get to the food. McDonald's and all that stuff and Chick-fil-A is so far away. Like, once I leave, I'm not coming back. I'm going home to eat my food. But anyways, I'm gonna get into the story. I'm just gonna give y'all the rundown. So imagine a school that's in the middle of nowhere. It's a cotton field over here, chickens running down the street over there, like y'all, I promise I cannot make this up. I am not making this up. What else? Okay, I'm trying to think of what it looked like. It just looked like a mess. Anyways, so it was a mess. The school was a mess, y'all. It was just beat down. No, when they talking about lockdown drills, I'm sorry, this got nothing to do with it, but when they talking about lockdown drills, I'm like, if somebody break into this classroom, they can bust that door down. Like, you think the doors look like regular doors with doorknobs. Honey, if somebody busts to the door, it's survival. You gotta survive for yourself. You gotta fight back, I guess. Because if you trying to do stuff at the bottom of the door, honey, somebody breaking here, we're dead. We're done. So just don't even try to do the lockdown. And then the kids, they be locked down. People be yelling and talking. Y'all want to die. My life is going so good. And y'all want to be loud. Now, I just be like, oh my God, somebody busted into the classroom. But like, you know, like, that had nothing to do with the story, but I just wanted to say that. Okay, so middle of a cotton field, you know, like, it's easy to skip because you're in the middle of nowhere, and compared to a school that's in the city, it's harder to skip. I know you're probably like, it should be easier to skip in the city because more people, blah blah blah. If you really can, it's easier to skip in the country because, like, once you leave, you gone. You're not in no traffic, you gone. You just and the school not that big, you're gone. So you just go down that street and you're done. But anyway, so basically this what happened. We got to the school, so it was early morning. We got to the school. I was like, dang, I think second period we was gonna go to third period, because third period teacher caught me. She caught me, and I was like, oh man, I'm hungry. So I done been to 2 periods hungry, didn't eat no breakfast, no nothing. So my sister left her book in my car. So cause I drove. My sister left her book in my car. I was like, just come get the book. I was telling her I'm finna leave you get something to eat. At the time, my car, you gotta warm my car up before you can pull out. Basically, you can't just get in my car and just drive off. So I was letting my car warm up. Okay. So I'm in the car already. I'm walking to the car. You know, it's kind of easy to walk to the car because I didn't park where the students parked. I parked where the teachers parked. As long as I had a little thing in my window, I was fine. So y'all, I'm walking to the car. I'm getting in the car. I get in the car to crank the car up so the heat can start working so I can pull off. She get in the back seat, and then like, so we just sitting there. We see this other chick. She running to the car. I'm like, what is she running from? We should have pulled off. Y'all, you should have seen how fast this girl's legs was moving. She was like, and got in her car and drove the hell off. I was like, okay. I didn't pay that no attention because I'm like, maybe she in a rush or something. Y'all, I kid you not. I'm on my phone. I look up. I don't know who these people were because I was new to the school. I didn't know the teacher's name. I don't even know the students' names that went there, honey. I just paid attention to myself and the people I talked to. Anyways, so my third period teacher and that lady came to the car. My sister, she back there trying to hide and stuff. I'm like, you can't do that because they're gonna think we doing something they're not supposed to be doing. Just tell them. I told them because my sister is like, when she know you finna get in trouble, she just panicked. Like, it don't take my sister. If you finna do something bad, please do not take her, cause y'all finna get caught. I was like, Kia, don't lay down, sit up, normal. What are you doing? Like, she better trying to hide and stuff. You look suspicious. Sit up. So I'm telling her to sit up, and I'm just like, I rolled the window down. I was not gonna open my door for the people. I rolled the window down. She said, what are y'all doing? I said, I'm finna go to a doctor's appointment. I got permission to leave. Remind you, the whole time we was leaving, we was only leaving to get something to eat. I don't have no dentist appointment. I didn't have no doctor's appointment. So she was like, did your mom give her permission? I said, yeah, she gives permission. She said, just sign in front of us. I was just lying. Because I was like, first of all, honey, it's cold outside. I'm not finna get out. So I was like, yeah. I thought she was just going to be like, okay, drive safe. No. She made me get out the car, take the keys out. My sister had to get out the car. We got our bags. We walked to the office. So, y'all, this the part where it's, like, crazy. Okay, if y'all know a black parent, y'all know my mother, don't call her early in the morning and she got to get up and go to work. Do not call her. Do not call her. Do not call all my teachers. Do not call my mama, okay? If it's a weekday, even a weekend, do not call my mama, wake her up, because you finna get cussed out. Yes, you. So if I knew it was somebody to go call my mom. First, my mama don't know nothing about us leaving the school because I didn't tell her. I'm hungry. I don't need to tell you I'm leaving. I'm hungry. So I have the keys and I leave. So we walking down the office. I'm like, bro, hold on, let me get my phone. This is my old phone, y'all. I'm like, bro, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? So I text my best friend, and I was like, bro, what you doing? It's an emergency. So I'm texting her. I changed her name to mom and everything. So I said, hold on, we finna get in trouble. I'm finna call you. So I called her and I said, I tell you to pretend to be my mom. I delete the messages out because teachers like to be a little nosy and all that. So I changed it. I said, can you pretend to be my mom real quick? She was like, sure. So she answered. So remind y'all, the phone ringing. The teacher, I said, here you go. So then she take the phone, and I don't know what they was talking about. So I guess she asked to have permission to leave school. But remind y'all, my best friend is on the phone. My best friend is on the phone. Not my mom. Because y'all not finna call her, and she not finna be on my head when I get home. No. So remind y'all, they talking to my mama. I mean, to my best friend. They was like, is this your mom? And I was like, yes. She just sound young. What you mean? So, after that happened, so they get the phone back. She said, okay, y'all can just go ahead and sign out. So we signed out. Sign out. So we get in the car and leave. Y'all, we went through all that just to get a bag of chips. We should have stayed at school. So, we just waited till that class was over. We looked crazy. We looked stupid. When I tell you we looked stupid, we looked stupid. This is why we looked stupid. Who doctor's appointment last not even an hour or 30 minutes? As soon as the next class started, we was on time walking into the classroom. They should have known something was up. That school is stupid. Y'all stupid. And to be honest, I don't care if they see this video or not, because they was the ones telling something. She got a YouTube channel. Yes, I have a YouTube channel. You're not gonna delete my channel either. Like, they was doing the most. Like, I had went through some whole other drama stuff, and they was talking about something. She got a YouTube. She posting on her YouTube. Honey, Mind your business. Mind a business that pay you. That's why you didn't mind your business good enough. Because if you didn't do your job good enough either. Y'all should investigate a little bit more to know it was not my mom. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this story time. This was not a big story time at all because it's just a regular story time. I just wanted to tell y'all the story time. I think it was interesting. To be honest, in the moment, I was like, oh my God, we're gonna get in trouble. But, yeah, kids, don't do what I did because, if something would have happened to me, my sister and my mom wouldn't have knew where we was. Nobody would have knew where we was. So, don't do that. Stay y'all ass at school. Okay? Even if you got a car, just stay at school. What you going? Unless you're going home or something, you know? Yes, you guys, we have made it to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And, yeah, also, I know y'all looking at my hair. Y'all like, either that hairstyle cute. And I know I'm going to give y'all a tutorial on it. You know what? If y'all want a tutorial, just comment tutorial and get this video to how many likes it's going to get. I don't know. But, yes, if y'all want a tutorial on it, I will give y'all one. But anyway, make sure you follow my social media because everybody knows my social media, so why don't you? I also posted a picture on Instagram today. So make sure when y'all looking at my Instagram, go like my picture I posted today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And make sure y'all go check out that jewelry in the link below if you want to be blinged out like me. Like, the sun hit it. Woo! Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.